I have a cable management tie. It's a Velcro cable tie, and I'll get that wrapped around the cord. In this video, I'm showing how I get the cords off the ground. I do this because if there is a water leak, I don't want to mess up my equipment, my appliances, or anything. So I think it's a good idea to go ahead and get them up off the ground. We know water and electricity don't mix, so let's get into getting these off the floor. Okay, I'm going to use my drill and put a cup hook in that side wall over there and then hang this bundle on the cup hook. Might need to take up some of the slack because this is dragging on the ground. So I need to make that a little bit tighter. Okay, as you can see, now hook there. It's not on the ground. Gotta leave a little bit of slack because that, I don't know, for some reason that cord is not as snug as I would like it to be. But there you go, no cords on the ground. Once I move the fridge back into place, it fits between these two legs, then I will, if necessary, I will take some more slack out of the cord that's hanging. But that's that. Got a water inlet right here so that I can easily get water in there. I haven't figured out that part yet, but I don't know if they make 4-inch water hoses. I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna find something that will easily work for that. If push comes to if push comes to shove, I could use a flexible funnel with a long spout, I guess. Okay, so I have the fridge back in place. You can see that the cord is going over this wheel and it's not on the floor. So we're good. No cords on the floor.